Hi friends, I got a huge response for my previous inspiring videos on KFC founder and Sundar Pichai's success story. If you haven't gone through it, please go through the link in description box. So today, I have come up with a great personality, the story of whom will accelerate your mindset. So why late? Let's go into the topic. Can you imagine your life without limbs, where you can't shift from one place to other without one step? Can you imagine yourself lacking arms, where it is even more difficult in holding a pen? But yes, here is the most inspiring person named Nick Vujicic. Despite of having no legs and arms, it achieved the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Nicholas James Vujicic was born on 4 December 1982 with an extremely rare disorder known as phocomelia, characterized by the absence of arms and legs. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. His mother was very much worried and upset. Couldn't bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. It was so hard for them, but right from the start they did their best to make him independent. Nick's father was a computer programmer, an accountant, so he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6 years old. His mom was a nurse and invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and pencil. His parents stood always by his side and filled him the faith and the confidence of performing tasks by himself. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. It was very hard, but it gave him independence. Nick, who was teased and sought to harm in school by his friends, was deeply depressed when he was 8 years old. He went to his mom crying and told her that he wanted to kill himself. He hated God for doing this to him and was terrified of what would happen when his parents were not there to look after him. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in a bathtub, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. But with the help of his religion, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. When he was 13, he read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and help others. That is when he realized why God had made him like this, to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to him that he decided to use his life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given him. He decided to be thankful for what he does have, not get angry about what he doesn't. He looked at himself in the mirror and said, "You know what the world is, right? That I have no arms or legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had." That one article has completely changed his way of thinking. He could brush his own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash his own hair with pump action soap, but there was so much that was impossible for him, whereas he turned every obstacle into a creative opportunity. He had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. He started admiring himself, loving the flaws in him, and in sculpturing the new Vujicic. He also plays golf with a club trunked under his chin and is a huge fan of English Premium League. He got into football, skateboarding, and swimming and proved him the best. When he was 17, he started to give talks at his prayer group. Vujicic graduated from Griffith University at the age of 21 with a Bachelor Commerce degree, with a double major in accountancy and finance planning. He would love to get married and start a family, but he was waiting for the right girl to come along. And this happened in 2012. He got married to the beautiful and adorable person named Kane Mihere. The couple has 4 children and living a happy family. This after he never stepped back. His growth in the career eventually increased. He has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled over 24 countries speaking to the group of up to 110,000 people. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. In 2005, Nick founded Life Without Limbs, an international non-profit organization and ministry. In 2007, he founded Attitude is Altitude, a secular motivational speaking company. Ujjasek's first book, Life Without Limbs, was published in 2010 and has been translated into over 30 languages. Ujjasek starred in the short film The Butterfly Success. At the 2010 Method Fest Independent Film Festival, he was awarded Best Actor in the short film for his staring performance as well. This is the real victory. Nick had once feared a lonely, tormented life, but this remarkable man of faith has worked hard to create his own miracle. Nick has been featured on BBC, 60 Minutes Australia, CBS Sunday Morning, Orphans Life Class, USA Today, People's Magazine, ABC News, the Glenn Beck program TLC, LA Stories, and many more. He personally connects with his huge social media following through the Nick Ujjasek podcast and engages through webinars and coaching. Nick's passion is to inspire and equip the world to know that we all can rise above adversity and overcome every disability of the heart and mind. Millions of people have found hope, purpose and the strength to overcome their challenges through Nick's inspirational speeches and powerful coaching. Nick faced tremendous obstacles in life, from living life without limbs to being bullied at school and fearful for his future with no purpose in sight. Nick persevered through life challenges and discovered key principles which enabled him to find his purpose and turn obstacles into opportunities, making him one of the most sought after keynote speakers in the world. Despite his disability, Nick is a world-renowned speaker, New York Times best-selling author, coach and entrepreneur. So my dear friends, remember, obstacles don't block the path, they are the path. In the midst of every obstacle lies an opportunity. So believe in yourself and accept the way you are. Know that there is a burning desire inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Think big, believe in yourself. Action should speak rather than words. Hope you like the inspiring story. If you want any others inspiring and motivational stories, please keep it in the comment box. If you are first time to my channel, please do like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Good luck.